In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Genspark AI, set up your workspace, and get started on creating your very own website. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Genspark AI website. Once you're there, take a moment to either sign into your existing account or, if you haven't joined yet, sign up for a new one. It's a straightforward process. Just make sure you have your details handy. Once you've successfully logged in, the next important step is to ensure you have access to the AI Developer module. This module is where all the magic happens, giving you the tools to build websites, games, or even various tools directly via prompts. It's a good idea to double-check your module access because users have reported that the platform excels particularly in these creative capacities. Now, before jumping into generating anything, it's crucial to take a step back and define the purpose of your website. Whether you're creating a portfolio to showcase your talents, setting up a business site, launching a blog, or building an e-commerce store, knowing your website's purpose will guide your creative decisions and ensure everything aligns with your goals. This will also help you determine who your target audience is and figure out which key pages you'll need. Generally, you'll want to consider having a home, about, contact, and for businesses, perhaps products or services page. This step is quite similar to general website creation advice, but is always worth mentioning due to its importance in crafting a coherent site. The real fun begins when you start using Genspark's powerful natural language prompt feature. This tool is fantastic because it allows you to instruct the AI using everyday language. Picture this. You can simply type something along the lines of, "Create a 5-page website for a sustainable skincare brand called Aura. I want a modern layout with muted greens and beige. Please include home, about, shop, blog, and contact pages." With that, the AI system kicks in, generating the desired website design and layout automatically or semi-automatically, depending on your settings. As you go through this process, keep in mind that Genspark's AI can handle much of the heavy lifting, but you might still want to adjust some elements to better fit your vision or tweak certain aspects to ensure the end product matches what you imagined. That's the incredible benefit of combining AI with your creative input. And there you have it. A comprehensive walkthrough to get you started with Genspark AI, from logging in, defining your project's purpose, and using natural language prompts to create a stunning website. So, I hope you feel ready and inspired to dive into your next project using these tools and techniques. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!